So guys, I'm starting this vlog out today at the cash machine. Callum's getting me out some P, doing me a favour because, as I always tell you, man's got no P. No, the amount is more than 300. You can only take out 300 at the cash machine. I've already taken out my 300, but that's not the point. Thank you for some free money. I'm about to buy something today, like right now. The guy is literally on his way. We're outside Selfridges right now in central London. So we're gonna make this vlog very, very litty. So we're off to go and meet the geezer right now. This is a pickup or a shoe that I've always wanted, but was never like, I never wanted to pay the price, but I got it for such a good price. So I'm meeting the guy right now. I'm gonna see you in 2 seconds. What are you saying, G? You all right? Nice one, bro. You all right? I'm good, mate.
Shoes right here, so yeah, good.
Yeah, nice.
About it.
Sweet.
Oh, I didn't know it was eating. I thought
Bamboo crepes, dead. These ones are
try the
fire.
board as well. You mentioned you're a size 8, right?
Yeah. I'll try one upstairs. I'm not gonna do it outside. You know what I mean? So guys, I copped the Nike acronyms, like the Volt pair. They came out like last year, and I remember when they first came out, right? They literally, bro, they sat on the shelf for like 2 weeks. They literally sat on the shelf for like 2 weeks, and I remember Jerry Lorenzo wore them, and they just went from like, because retail was high, retail was like nearly 200. They went from like 200 to like 600 as soon as Jerry Lorenzo wore them. They flew, the price just went up and up and up and up, because it's one of those shoes that people buy to actually wear at first, and then if someone starts wearing it, like hype, like Jerry at the time, the price just went stupid, and I never wanted to pay like 500-600. So I managed to cop for like 300, which was to me pretty much a steal. Look at these toes, mate. Look at these toes. Could you, mate? So I'm in the Gucci store right now, and well, I'm gonna buy these slippers real quick because I am going on holiday tomorrow. So you already know, man, how to buy some Gucci sliders real quick. This is literally like my 5th pair, bad way. It really is a bad way, but they're like $215, not that expensive. I mean, yeah, £200 for slippers, but. So, I came into the Gucci store and I told my guy in Gucci that my little tiger, lion, I don't know, it fell off the sock. So he's literally gone upstairs, got the tailor to sew it straight away for me, because that's the service we be getting in Gucci. So I'm just waiting for my sock right now. My sock. Oh, I'm orange juice, because I only come into Gucci for free orange juice. Geezer, look at him. Look at him, rocking the merch. This could be the new youngest hypebeast, because you're only 10, fam, right? Yeah. Man's still 10. Golden Fly, sorry mate, you turned 11. So that's it now. Game over, you're not the youngest hypebeast anymore. It's my G Tarun. Right here, look at him. Fam, we got the socks back. Real Gucci now. This is everything I bought.
I believe so. I'll be back.
Thank you, man. So yeah, guys, we had to cop some Gucci sliders. That's my 5th pair. Bad way. That's like £1,000 on Gucci sliders, fam. In the winter, mate, this would actually look swag. Guys, I actually really like this headband, but it's $350. So give it a couple months and I'll cop it for winter, because I think it's reasonable to have. Thank you, man. It's yours. Just chuck this in here. Cool. Hello? So guys, I'm in central London, but real quick, I'm gonna hit you back to yesterday when I unboxed this, which you haven't seen yet, but it's a madness. So I'm gonna flick back to yesterday to this crazy unboxing. 3, 2, 1. I'll see you in a sec. Okay, people, this is actually flames, and I can't wait to open this box. And what's so crazy about today is I'm about to film my first ever mystery box. I mean, just look at the Bape tape. If that doesn't get you excited, then I don't know what does. But I'm not sure if you're watching this and this video is already out. If it is already out, then go and watch it. I'll link it on the screen right now. If it's not already out, then make sure you watch my first ever mystery box. But this video is not about my first ever mystery box. I noticed recently that I've been unboxing so much stuff, and that's because I've been buying so much stuff. And Ari, you really need to slow down, because you're gonna end up broke, like no joke. I've been buying so much stuff, but a lot of it is free, a lot of it is gifts, a lot of it I get for good prices. So it's fun. I hope you guys enjoy it, and do let me know if you guys actually do enjoy me unboxing stuff, because if you don't, then I'll try and cut down on it. I won't unbox as much as I do on YouTube because I actually really love unboxing stuff and sharing it with you, and maybe I get cool experiences or maybe I get a cool reaction, I don't know. And everything is like a legit reaction. I'm not putting anything on for the cameras. Like, I don't really do that. If you know me in person, I'm pretty much like this in person as well. All my homies know that. Everyone, why did I just say homies? Like, I'm not from America, maybe because I'm excited that I'm about to go to America. I'm going to LA SneakerCon, so make sure you catch me at LA SneakerCon, and I'm going to Melbourne SneakerCon in Australia. I've never been to Australia. That is absolutely wild. It's a 16-hour flight, so catch this right. I'm going from London to LA, then I'm going from LA to Australia, and then I'm going from Australia back to LA because I love LA so much, and then I'm going from LA to London. So Ari Petru's life is about to be absolutely wild, crazy, extravagant. So subscribe right now if you are new to the Geezer Army, then subscribe right now, and well, so many experiences about to come, so much content. I'm on the grind, people, so do subscribe. I'm really sweating right now. I'm actually in a bad way, but guys, let's unbox this box. Let's unbox this box. We're gonna go for the red Supreme knife today, not the samurai knife, just this knife. And yes, I've got loads of knives. Don't leak that to the police because it could probably end in a bad way. This package is from a friend that I've known on Instagram for a good while. He's the guy that plugs me with all my early Yeezys. He really is the plug. Now, this isn't Yeezys because, well, Yeezys are a bit dead now, so. But this is something that hopefully I can use all the time, and that's what I like. I like buying things that are practical and that I'm actually gonna use. Okay, I really can't. Yeah, this is heavily taped, fam. No one was getting through this at customs. Guys, I'm actually sweating. If you didn't know, in all my unboxings, I'm just sweating recently because inside my room, guys, I swear to God, there is a radiator here and it doesn't turn off. Someone needs to come around my house and turn this radiator off because it is so hot in the UK right now, and I actually always sweated like crazy. Like when I used to play sports, I used to sweat so bad. Like I don't smell, like it's none of that. It's just I get really hot and I start to sweat. And in the summer, if I wear a hoodie, then well, I'm probably passing out. This is why I buy items like this, the Supreme fan, so I can fan myself. Oh my God, that's so good. I never thought of that. Let's carry on with this box, because what's in this box is pretty crazy, and I've been looking for one of these for the longest time, and it turns out I actually got a collab version. Now, what is this? What's this? Here is the item. Now, one of my homies hooked this up from Instagram. I'm gonna shout him out, Randy Galang. What a lad. He got me this. Now that's the end of the box. Oh, this is sick. Guys, oh yes. I am so gassed for this right now. Woo! Guys, this is my new Louis Vuitton Fragment. Yes, Fragment, give thanks to the stamp.
It's a very important when you see that. You call it what, the fragments?
Yeah.
I call it give thanks for the stamp.
DJ Khaled style. Now I am actually so gassed to own this. I've been looking for a Louis Vuitton backpack for the longest time. Now you might think this is a bit like shady of me or shady of people, but I don't know. Sometimes I'll be wearing like a Gucci outfit or like a nice high-end outfit, and I'm just going out and about, and I need to bring like my laptop and my camera, etc. because I'm always on the go, always making content. So I always need my camera, my laptop, my chargers, etc. And sometimes when I wear my Supreme backpack, right, it is a practical backpack and it is a really good backpack, but I feel like people think I'm going hiking sometimes or something like that. I don't know, sometimes the Supreme backpack just doesn't match the outfit and it annoys me sometimes. I obviously have used it for like the last year, 2 years, like every season I buy the backpack, so I've never really had a problem, but I just thought sometimes it ruins my fit, this like hiking style backpack. So I thought I would try and grab something like high-end style backpack. Hopefully this is practical because I do need to get my camera, which is over there, so I can't show you putting the camera in the backpack because I'm filming on the camera. This is lit. Let's open it up right now. Okay, so it's just bags. Comes with the Louis Vuitton dust bag, of course. That is really nice. Louis Vuitton dust bag. I did ask Randy to not give me the box because it would have made the package so much heavier, and I don't know, normally I love my stuff with boxes, but for a backpack like this, I'm not too fussed. Oh, these are sick as well. I didn't even see these. Okay, so you see all the little buckles? The little buckles are like an iridescent color, like each buckle. That one. What about the zips? No, the zips aren't. But these little buckles are. That's actually really cool. Yeah, there's loads of space in here, a decent amount of space in here. All I really want in here is like my laptop, my camera. So this is a great backpack, and honestly, I paid way under market, and that's why I want to shout out Randy, because he did really hook me up on a good price. He shipped it all the way from Asia. My homie lives in Asia, and it got here in like 3 days. So massive shout out to him. This is so cool. The leather straps with the monogram. I love this monogram. I really don't have much Louis Vuitton. I only have this, which holds my watches, but as you can tell, it's the same monogram, and this is the only monogram I like, the graphite monogram with the actual LV. And the LV, like, I don't like the squares, I don't like the white squares, I don't like the brown. This is really the only Louis Vuitton that I like, apart from Louis Vuitton Supreme. Honestly guys, I just looked at me wearing this backpack in the mirror. I actually love it. There's so many details that you guys can't see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit you with some B-roll / cinematics of all the little details of my new Louis Vuitton Supreme. It's not Supreme. Oh dear. I'm gonna hit you with some B-roll and cinematics of my new backpack to try and show you every little detail, because I actually think this is so fire. So 3, 2, 1. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. This is gonna end off the vlog for today. Subscribe right now to join the Geezer Army. Smash a like on this video if you did enjoy. And guys, yes, the Fragment Louis Vuitton LV backpack for under retail. So gas. I'm so glad I've got it. Now I can just use it when I'm abroad, whenever. But anyways, guys, if you're not in the Geezer Army, subscribe right now. Tarun, you say subscribe to Geezer Army, mate?
Subscribe to the Geezer Army. Follow me on Instagram.
You dig.